Hey everyone, 2025 Vespa continues the legacy of one of the most iconic scooter brands in the world, blending timeless design with modern technology. Known for its elegance, practicality, and effortless urban mobility, the new Vespa model builds on decades of Italian craftsmanship while incorporating cutting-edge advancements to meet the demands of today's riders. At first glance, the 2025 Vespa retains its classic aesthetic, with smooth curves, a streamlined silhouette, and premium finishes. However, beneath its retro-inspired exterior lies a host of modern upgrades. The frame is crafted from lightweight yet durable materials, improving both stability and fuel efficiency. New color options and customizable accessories allow riders to personalize their scooters, making each Vespa a unique expression of style. One of the most significant updates in the 2025 Vespa is its improved powertrain. The latest model features an enhanced engine that delivers better performance, increased fuel economy, and lower emissions. Whether it's a traditional combustion engine or an electric variant, the Vespa now offers a smoother ride with greater efficiency. The electric version, in particular, has received upgrades in battery technology, providing a longer range per charge and faster charging times. This makes it an ideal choice for eco-conscious riders who want to embrace sustainable urban transportation without sacrificing performance. Technology also plays a significant role in the new Vespa. A fully digital instrument panel provides real-time information on speed, battery life, navigation, and connectivity options. With smartphone integration, riders can access calls, messages, and music on the go through Bluetooth-enabled controls. Safety features have also been enhanced, including ABS braking, traction control, and improved LED lighting for better visibility in all conditions. These additions ensure a safer and more convenient riding experience, particularly for city commuters navigating busy streets. Comfort remains a priority in the 2025 Vespa. The seat is designed for optimal ergonomics, allowing for longer rides without discomfort. The scooter's suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a smoother experience on uneven terrain. Storage space is another area where Vespa excels, with a spacious under-seat compartment capable of holding a helmet or personal belongings, making it practical for daily use. Despite all these modern advancements, the 2025 Vespa stays true to its roots as a symbol of freedom and mobility. It continues to be an ideal choice for young professionals, students, and city dwellers who seek a stylish yet efficient way to get around. Its ease of handling, lightweight design, and automatic transmission make it accessible even to beginner riders. Additionally, Vespa's reputation for reliability ensures that owners can enjoy their scooters for years with minimal maintenance. The pricing of the 2025 Vespa reflects its premium quality and advanced features. While it may cost more than some competitors, its durability, resale value, and brand prestige make it a worthwhile investment. Vespa enthusiasts will appreciate the balance between nostalgia and innovation that this model offers, reinforcing the brand's reputation as the gold standard in the scooter world. With growing concerns about urban congestion and environmental impact, the 2025 Vespa presents itself as an ideal solution. Whether commuting to work, exploring the city, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, this scooter encapsulates the perfect blend of tradition and progress. Its combination of style, efficiency, and modern technology ensures that Vespa remains an iconic name in the two-wheeler industry for years.